Engineering is a profession that is vital to the advancement and upkeep of modern society. Engineering is commonly divided into four main branches: electrical, civil, mechanical, and chemical. Today, we are going to delve into what a mechanical engineer is, does, and how to become one of the fine people working in the broadest, most popular field of engineering. Welcome to Mechanical Engineering. Here's Group Zero member Andy Dow with some information on what it is to be a mechanical engineer.
Mechanical engineering is the study of objects and systems in motion. It applies the principles of heat and mechanical systems from design to manufacturing to the market for any product. To do this, a mechanical engineer must consider the forces and thermal environment that a product or the system to which it belongs, and designs the product for function, longevity, and aesthetics. It is one of the four engineering branches and is arguably the broadest. The field of mechanical engineering requires knowledge in mechanics, dynamics, thermodynamics, material science, and structural analysis. There are many sub-disciplines that fall under their purview. Manufacturing, thermal, and energy engineering are a few. Projects from other branches of engineering tend to rely on mechanical engineers, since their work is more practical and hands-on. Nearly all major or large-scale engineering projects, such as dams, aircraft, or manufacturing, use mechanical engineering for designing and building moving parts and systems. A project mechanical engineers are expected to work on is an engine, which converts one form of energy into mechanical energy. An internal combustion engine, such as the engine commonly found in most cars on the road, burns fuel to do work. That work is used to drive the car. This type of engine can be found in ships and aircraft as well. An external combustion engine, which differs from an internal engine by the source of the heat, is commonly used in power plants. Coal-fired, natural gas, solar thermal, and even some nuclear power plants are designed around a basic external engine.
So now that we know what a mechanical engineer is, here's Group Zero's own Jared Neitz with how to become one.
To obtain a career in mechanical engineering, students will require at least a bachelor's degree. The coursework that you will take in your undergrad will be fairly typical. You will take a lot of math and science classes up until about your third year. While in school, you will cover subjects such as fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, and hydraulics. Generally, the schools that you go and get your bachelor's degree from will be accredited by the ABET, which is the Accreditation Board for Engineering and Technology. However, if the school is not accredited with the ABET certification, you will need to get that on your own. After graduation and getting your accreditation from the ABET, you will then need to become professionally licensed as a professional engineer in whatever state you are working in. The PE requirements include a bachelor's degree from a four-year institution with ABET accreditation, work experience under the supervision of a licensed engineer, and candidates must also pass the Fundamentals of Engineering and Principles and Practice of Engineering test exams that are administered by the National Council of Examiners for Engineering and Surveying. Before you can obtain your license as a PE or professional engineer, you must take the FE exam. The FE exam stands for the Fundamentals of Engineering and includes 110 questions as well as takes 6 hours to complete. A typical Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering degree requires courses in communications, humanities, basic sciences, business, mathematics, and basic engineering and computer skills. These can include composition, technical writing, history, language, political science, chemistry, physics, accounting, or marketing. Almost every state-ran school has an engineering department, with Stanford, MIT, and Brown being the top three as of August 2020, according to collegechoice.net. There are a number of certifications you can receive after you become a professional engineer, such as solar heating installer, certified maintenance and reliability technician, certified manufacturing engineer, certified plant maintenance manager, fluid power engineer, IAPMO mechanical plans examiner, or a chassis technician, or just to name a few. One of the other things you will do once you become a professional engineer is to sign up for different organizations that help you in a professional manner, such as the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, the Institution of Mechanical Engineers, Society of Automotive Engineers, or the Society of Manufacturing Engineers.
Now that you've heard from our other members from Group Zero, here's myself, EJ, with some final thoughts. As we have seen, mechanical engineering is a highly versatile degree, and mechanical engineers are often dubbed the jack of all trades, using their broad range of skills to solve problems in design, analysis, and manufacturing using mechanical systems. Mechanical engineering is heavily physics-based, relying on a strong math and calculus background. Industries hiring mechanical engineers encompass automotive, HVAC, materials, robotics, combustion engines, and the energy sector. Even though it is the most popular specialization for engineers, it does have one of the lowest median salaries at $87,000 a year, and its annual growth rate is comparatively low at 4%. In contrast, the job market is relatively large, with about 312,000 jobs in the US, so there is a lot of freedom when it comes to job selection. We here at Group Zero hope you found this video informative and wish you good fortune whatever your career path may be. Thanks for watching.